Today we'll use the Belleville Disc Spring Calculator to determine the mechanical properties of conical disc springs. Starting with the material dropdown, you can select from steel at 30 million psi, aluminum at 10 million psi, stainless steel at 16 million psi, or enter a custom value. For this demonstration, I'm using steel. Next, enter the outer diameter OD in inches, then the inner diameter ID in inches. Follow this with the thickness T in inches and the height H in inches. There's also an optional deflection field in inches if you want to analyze the spring at a specific compression point. If you selected custom value for material, you'll need to enter your custom Young's modulus in PSI. After clicking Calculate Spring Properties, the calculator provides essential design parameters, including the spring force, spring rate, stress values, and available deflection range. These outputs help you verify whether your disc spring design meets your load requirements and stays within acceptable stress limits for your application. This tool streamlines the complex calculations needed for proper Belleville spring selection and design validation. Find the link in the description below.